In this video, I want to show you how to hyperlink email address, web page, document or a slide in a given PowerPoint presentation. So select the text of an email, right click. Then over here you will see option for the hyperlink. The shortcut key is Command K for the Mac user and the Control K for the Windows user. Click over here. A new window will pop up. Over here you can see option for the web page or file, this document and the email address. So select the email address, write down the email ID. So for example, this is my email ID, subject, and then select OK. So this way it will be hyperlink. Once it hyperlink, it will change to the blue color with the underline line. If we want to hyperlink a web page, select the text, right click, go to the hyperlink, and over here you will find option for the web page or a file. This is my LinkedIn profile. Copy the URL and then paste this URL and click OK. Now let's hyperlink a document. Select the text, go to the hyperlink. Then here you will find option for the document or a file. Let's select a file. So here on desktop, I have a PNG file of hyperlink PPT. Okay, open it. Okay. The last one, slide, do the same. Select the text in the slide and then click on the hyperlink option, this document, and over here you will see the option for first slide, last slide, next slide, previous slide, or slide title, custom show. So let's select the first slide because in this PPT I just have 2 slides, and click OK. Now go to the presentation mode, so slideshow. Now if you click on the email, it will open welcome to email because I didn't set up it, so right now I cannot go ahead with this one. And if you click on the web page, then it will go to the browser and the profile will get open. If you go to the document, then it will ask you to open this document, click OK, and the document get open. Similarly, if you click on the slide, it will go to the previous slide. So I hope through this short tutorial you learn how to link email, web page, document and slide in a PowerPoint. If it has helped you, then do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching.